As you come up the stairs, obviously you can go to the living room. This is upstairs. And then that's another
Did you
deck.
take a picture of the counter, the
Yes.
stove? Yeah, it's like...
Here, open that up.
Is this zero? I wonder if there's a...
Right here.
Is it completely open? Is there two?
There's two.
That's nice. You get it? Oh yeah, there's no...
Wow.
See, this would be the one where you'd want to make it a screened in, expand it and screen it in.
Yeah.
Because there's no separation, you can just leave the doors open.
Decent size. It's got a gas pipe. Right.
Yeah,
Here's
I just wonder if you could just expand
the
this
pad
behind
for
it,
downstairs.
and then you could screen it and leave that one open. They want to screen it for it. Yeah, you could carry it all the way across if you really wanted the deck space. Hi!
This is the yard.
Nothing like coming out in your robe in the morning and then Grandma and Grandpa already being out here with their coffee.
They'd be down there.
Maybe down there.